Okay, we're ready.
Alright, I just need you to say okay to that box so I can get access. Excellent. So let's take this and we're just going to pop in the IP address of the copier so that I can see that. This confirms we've got communication with the copier and the configuration. So we're going to go ahead, click on drivers.
Oh, I had that set up for you.
Oh.
I did.
Sorry about that.
That's
I
all
used
right.
to do it one way, I never think about it. So we're going to go ahead and look for the Mac 10.7 through. I just want to verify that that's what we're running here. 10.10, okay. So we're going to run, we're looking for this, whoops. 10.7 through, single-sided color. We're going to click on the GZ link. And we're going to open that up. We'll double-click the package file. And step through the installer. There we go. So we have now installed the driver package. Now we need to actually create the print queue. So we're going to go into System Preferences. And choose Printers and Scanners. And we're going to click on the little plus button here. And from there, we're going to choose IP. Type in the IP address of the device, 192.168.1.89. And I'm going to rename this to be Back Toshiba.
Could you do me a favor and on this one call it FH Back Toshiba? Because we have more than one office.
Gotcha.
Perfect.
Now, it automatically selected the correct X7 driver. I'm choosing the X7 USA, so that defaults to standard US paper sizes. And then we'll say Add. Model selection, we are going to choose the 5055 series. The finisher, we're going to choose the inner finisher. And we are going to choose drawer 1 and 2 so that that all matches your configuration, and say OK. So now we have that set up right here. We're going to go ahead and choose Print. And we're going to, where it says Safari here, we're going to go down and choose Color Settings 1. And alternate this from color to auto. And we're going to go to print mode and enable it to send the department code. Can you input that for me? Perfect. So we've got this configured the way we like. We're going to save this as a preset.
And that's the black and white?
Actually, this one's we're going to call it color.
Okay.
Because it was set to auto.
Yep.
And we're going to go ahead and say OK there. Then I'm going to go and switch back into color settings 1 and change this from auto to mono. And we do not want to choose black and white. We want to choose mono.
Gotcha.
And we're going to save that current settings as a preset, and that we'll call not color, but black and white with a code. And then I'm just going to send this print to make sure it goes through.
And you can tell on here if it went through, right?
Yeah, what I'm going to do is just go into the Logs tab on this. a second to go through, you'll see right here that your username is associated with top access, which is what this page is called. As long as the page is this one, it is successfully printed.
All right. And that's all we do. We're done.
That's it.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right.
Jeff, anything else I can do for you?
No, you were a big help.